Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And we got another truck we're getting ready to put on the lot. I wanted to show this to you. This is a 2006 Ford F-150. Now this is, it does have the FX4 off-road package. It's got the 5.4 liter V8 engine. It's a Triton. So we'll do a quick walk around. Show you the outside, then we'll go on the inside. And you can see it does have the chrome running boards, the tinted windows. And I do want to show you one thing with the mirrors. You do have turn signals on your mirrors. 4 doors, 6.5 foot bed on it. Go back here. Now with this truck, there is no bed liner in it. So we'll go ahead and pull this down, but actually the bed itself appears to be in good condition. And we'll back up, continue our walk around. But there's your decals for the FX4 off-road package. But the body actually appears to be in pretty good condition on the truck. Let's go ahead and we'll hop in back. Okay, you can see the truck does have black leather interior. A lot of leg room back here. Show you that overhead. Each one of these are compartments. You can put eyeglasses or other items for storage. Armrest right here in the center does fold down. And your door panels are black, and you do have a lighter gray perforated cover right there. Okay, here we go, looking at the front. Do a quick view here. We'll show you the door panel, all your controls here for your windows and locks. You do have power seats on both, and if you notice, you've got presets for 2, so 2 different people can have a preset for where they want their seat to be adjusted. There's the interior, so let's go ahead and climb up inside. Okay guys, here we are on the inside. We'll pan around real quick, show you a little bit of what it looks like. Then I'm going to bring you back around and show you the instrument cluster. You can see the mileage on this right now is 141,372 miles. Now, one item I do want to show you is the button right there. Now, what that is for, it's for your pedals. It'll actually pull your pedals closer to you or farther away. So you can get really nice adjustment on that. Now, steering wheel controls, here on the left is your cruise control, and then a few different controls on your right, your volume for your radio up and down, seek for your station finder, and temperature up and down, fan speed up and down. So we'll go on over here and show you the audio portion of it. It does have a CD player right there. And we get down to the climate control, your heating elements, and your gear shift, 2 cup holders. It does have a storage capacity right there, a cigarette, whatever you want to put there. 2 more cup holders here, and this will fold up, and there's all kinds of space right there. And turn around and show you, I mean, this black interior is actually very beautiful, and there's all kinds of leg room that is in this truck. But there's the overhead storage compartments. But there we have it, guys. That's our 2006 Ford F-150 FX4 off-road package. It does have the 5.4 liter V8 engine. So we've got this priced really nice. So it's going to be a nice, inexpensive truck for somebody that wants a nice 4-wheel drive come winter time. But if you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call, area code 740-992-4443. You can actually fill out a short application on our website. It'll come in, we can get you a pre-approval on this and possibly take this down the road. Just sign your name on the paper. Anyway, that's it. So have a great day.